working today on a Honda FRB 2008. The owner bought the car with only one key, which is not the most convenient option. Therefore, we'll make an additional key. The process is quite interesting. First, we read the code from the original key to create an exact copy. Then, using special equipment, we program the new key so it can interact with the car's system. It's important to remember that having a spare key is not only convenient but also safe. In case you lose the main key, you'll be able to access your car without issues. So let's get to work and make this key. Alright, all the best. If anything, say goodbye.